Hello and welcome back dear students to my class. Today I am going to discuss some difference between from the chapter human reproduction. So the first one is differentiate between spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Spermatogenesis is a process of formation of male gametes or sperms. On the other hand, oogenesis is a process of formation of female gametes or eggs or ova. Spermatogenesis occurs in testes. On the other hand, oogenesis occurs in ovary. Spermatogenesis produces motile gametes. On the other hand, oogenesis produces non-motile gametes. Spermatogenesis begins during puberty. On the other hand, oogenesis is initiated during the embryonic development. Number B. Differentiate between follicular phase and luteal phase of menstrual cycle. Follicular phase. In follicular phase, follicles in the ovaries mature. On the other hand, in luteal phase, formation of corpus luteum begins. Follicular phase comes prior to ovulation. On the other hand, luteal phase comes after ovulation. In follicular phase, pituitary gland secrete follicle stimulating hormone. On the other hand, in luteal phase, estrogen and progesterone secrete from corpus luteum. In follicular phase, luteum hormone secrete. On the other hand, in luteal phase, luteum hormone is not secrete. Number C. Differentiate between autosome and sex chromosome. Out of 23 pairs of chromosomes in human are autosomes. On the other hand, out of 23 pairs of chromosomes, one pair is of sex chromosomes in human. In males and females, same copies of autosomes are present. On the other hand, sex chromosomes are differ in form, size, and behavior in males and females. In humans, autosomes are homologous. On the other hand, in human female, sex chromosomes are homologous, while male sex chromosomes are non-homologous. Autosomes control the somatic character of the body, for example, eye color, height, etc. On the other hand, sex chromosome determines sex of the organisms and govern the sex-linked trait of an organism, for example, color blindness. D. Differentiate between parturition and lactation. Parturition is the process of the contraction of the uterus at regular intervals. On the other hand, lactation is the process of production of milk by the mammary gland. Parturition helps in the delivery of the baby. On the other hand, lactation helps the baby by producing colostrum at the end of pregnancy. Oxytocin hormone helps in parturition. On the other hand, prolactin hormone helps in lactation. The last one is differentiate between morula and blastula. Morula is embryo with 8 to 16 blastomeres. On the other hand, blastula is formed when the morula divides and transforms. Cells are less in number in morula. On the other hand, cells are more in number in blastula. Cavity, that is blastocele, is absent in morula. On the other hand, cavity, that is blastocele, is present in blastula. Morula is solid. On the other hand, blastula is hollow. That's it for today's video. Thank you.